How to enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on the Instagram Reels auto scroll feature so videos automatically move to the next reel without manually swiping. Before you begin, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. New features like auto scroll are often available only on updated versions of Instagram. Now, open Instagram and tap on the Reels tab to start watching Reels. Next, tap the three-dot menu on the right side of the screen. If the auto scroll feature is available on your account, you'll see an option called auto scroll. Simply tap auto scroll to enable it. Once turned on, Instagram will automatically move to the next reel when the current video finishes playing. This makes it easier to enjoy Instagram Reels hands-free without constantly swiping through videos. If you don't see the auto scroll option, don't worry. The feature is still being rolled out and may not be available for all Instagram accounts or regions yet. Keeping your Instagram app updated can help you get new features sooner. And
That's it. That's how to enable auto scroll on Instagram Reels and enjoy continuous scrolling automatically. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.